Hello, good afternoon. So I'm doing a reading for Leo masculine. I'm doing it a little bit differently this time. I'm breaking down the signs by feminine and masculine just to see if maybe we can get a little bit more detail. Maybe, it'll resonate better the more you kind of break it down. So that's what I've decided to do. I'm going to go ahead and do a love read for Leo masculine. This applies to if Leo is in your sun, moon, rising, or Venus. That could also be in your seventh house or your fifth house. And if you play more of a, if you're more of a masculine energy in your relationships, then this will apply to you. So I will go ahead and get started. What is the energy influencing the person coming towards Leo masculine? What is the energy, excuse me, influencing whoever Leo masculine is thinking about? Okay, so the Lovers. And what energy is influencing Leo masculine? What energy is influencing Leo masculine at this time? What energy is influencing Leo masculine at this time? Okay, we have Judgment. Judgment has been coming out in almost every reading that I've been doing. So it looks like there's a decision really on both of your ends. You might be dealing with a Gemini, but you don't have to be, or someone with Gemini strong in their chart. I feel like whoever's coming towards you feels a deep connection towards you, but they may be making a choice or a decision between you and someone else, or just you and other things in their life, or whether or not to engage. But we'll dive a little bit deeper into it. And I feel like you just have a judgment call to make in general. So let's go ahead and pull some more cards to get a little bit more information. Now, the energies might be vice versa. So you may resonate more with the top energy. And if that's the case, it applies to you. So let's go ahead and get started. So what is the top energy doing in this Lover's energy? What is the top person doing in this Lover's energy? What are they doing when it comes towards the Leo masculine, or the bottom energy? What is the top person doing when it comes to the bottom energy? Okay, we've got a couple cards. Four of Swords and Nine of Wands. So maybe they took a break from you. I feel like they are possibly very guarded. How do they feel about the bottom energy? How does this top energy feel emotionally towards the bottom energy? So I feel like they want to work on it. What I'm feeling here is this person, I feel like it's like they acknowledge this connection that they have to you. They feel this connection, but I'm kind of getting this feeling that they're ignoring it with this Four of Wands energy here, and I feel very guarded. Maybe they're just, what's coming to mind is possibly afraid of being hurt, because this is what they're doing. Four of Swords is also about, typically when you see Four of Swords come up, that means someone took a break, so maybe they're not communicating with you right now. But I get a sense of being very guarded. But in their emotional space, I see that they want to work on this. What are they thinking? What are in their thoughts? What is in this top energy's thoughts when it comes to this connection? Okay. The Queen of Cups. All right. We're going to clarify that a little bit before, I start saying anything. But let's see. What is Leo masculine doing in this Judgment? Okay. How does bottom energy feel emotionally towards the top energy? And what is in the bottom energy's thoughts? So this card here, as far as what you're doing, could have several. I feel like sometimes this is considered unrequited love when it's reversed, but not always. You're either losing love or falling in love with this person. So depending on the other cards, I feel like you are gaining. I feel like you're falling in love with this person. I feel like you have a lot of passion towards them and you want to reach out to them. Whether or not you're going to be doing it soon, we will see if other cards come out. But I feel like you want to reach out to them and see them. In your thoughts, you have the Knight of Cups and the Six of Pentacles reverse. Yeah, I feel like what you really want to do is come to this person. I think you want to offer them something. You want to, I feel like the judgment call that you're making, or at least, what's happening here. And we don't really normally have control over whether or not we fall in love with some person or if we fall out. That's usually out of our control, but I feel like that's what's happening and I feel like you love this person. And I do believe that they love you too. Because we have the Queen of Cups in their thoughts. So let's clarify that a little bit more. Tell me about the Queen of Cups. It's almost like, though, it's a struggle for this person at the top. Like in the bottom person's energy, I feel like it's like, let's do it, let's rush into it, or let's at least talk about it, let's date, let's see where this can go, let's provide an equal give and take, let's give it a try, I feel like. But this person, although I feel like they want to, it seems to be some kind of a struggle for them. Almost as if this person sees this. What came to mind is the Tower card with this Five of Swords reversed here. And it's like, maybe they feel like this would end up, in a disaster. Maybe they've been hurt before in the past because they seem to be guarded. How do they view the bottom energy? How does the top energy see the bottom energy? How do they see them? I feel like they see you as a burden for some reason. And what do they want? What does the top energy want from the bottom energy? What do they want? I'm just going to pause this. I'll be right back. Okay, sorry about that, Leo, but the good thing is that you weren't sitting there for 10 minutes while I was on the phone. Okay, so I asked, what does this person want at the top? And I got the Two of Wands reversed and the Queen of Wands. So I think they want you to make a decision. Maybe they want you to come towards them and make a decision, because it seems like you do have a decision to make, but so do they. I think they need to come out of this. Maybe they just want a decision to be made. They might want to make a decision as well about you, maybe to come out of whatever fearful type of energy that they're in, whatever is worrying them about this relationship, whatever burdens them about this relationship. I feel like they want to be able to come out of that, and whatever judgment call that you need to make, I feel like they want you to come towards them as well, because they have passion. The Queen of Wands is about passion. I know it's reversed, but maybe what did come to mind is, perhaps you're exploring options and stuff, and they kind of want you to just make a decision and choose them. That's one way I was looking at that. Tell me about the Queen of Wands reversed. Why is the Queen of Wands reversed? Why is the Queen of Wands reversed? I feel like it's just no one's making a decision. There's passion there, but there's like stuck energy. So I think it's more so just making a decision. What's that? And they got Judgment reversed. So yeah, it's like no one's making a decision here. Well, this person appears to be very stuck to me. You don't really seem that stuck, but we'll get some more information. I feel like this person just has a problem moving forward. Maybe something, maybe something in their past, maybe they were hurt before, or just something in their past is causing them to be at a halt in making a decision. And it could be something that happened in their past in another relationship, or possibly something that happened in the past with you. How does the bottom energy view the top energy? How does the bottom energy view the top energy? Emperor reversed. Okay, tell me more about the Emperor reversed, please. Why is the Emperor reversed? Maybe you see this person as a bit controlling, out of control, or just controlling in general. You might see them maybe as a little bit insecure. Maybe they're a bit clingy in a way, or maybe they have some financial issues, because they do have the Eight of Pentacles here, which is kind of like it's someone that's working to reach their Nine of Pentacles and their Ten of Pentacles status. So maybe they're just having some financial issues. Maybe they just feel, insecure in some kind of a way, and that's how you're viewing them. Maybe you're a little bit confused as well about what they're doing, what they want. I mean, it looks like they did take a break and they seem kind of closed off. So maybe you just don't have any clarity. You're trying to figure out what is going on with this person. What does the bottom energy want? Okay, so Ten of Cups reverse. I feel like you want a happy home with this person. It's interesting because these are reversed. You might be dealing with a Taurus. You might be dealing with a Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or any sign. Aries, Leo, such as yourself. I feel like this person makes you happy, but maybe you're not really looking for a traditional relationship. Maybe you're not really looking for, marriage or a commitment right now. But they do make you happy. I feel like you want happiness with them. Okay, why is Judgment reversed? I feel like this person maybe is, with this Judgment reverse, I feel like it's kind of like they don't want to face their demons in a way. It's like, I just feel like this person's hiding and they don't want to deal with something at the top. What are they hiding from? Maybe they just have, they got the Nine of Pentacles. Maybe they just have some financial issues, or maybe they just feel they could have financial issues, or they just feel insecure. There could be just some overall, security issues. Maybe they get very clingy and attached to a person when they're in a relationship, and they could have had heartbreak in the past from that, and so they really are just trying to, it's like they're trying to control their emotions, and you do see them as someone who's a bit controlling. The Emperor reverse can be kind of a tyrant. He's a bit controlling. You might see them as unstable, because usually when a person is trying to be so controlling, they actually are really just unstable themselves. Let's get a card for Judgment, please. Maybe this person being so standoffish is making you lose feelings. But no, I think that you actually do have feelings here for this person with the King of Cups. Well, let's see. Tell me about the Eight of Pentacles. This person's feelings. Yeah, they got the Two of Cups. This person wants to work on this with you. They have love for you with the Queen of Cups. They think about you. They think about the love they have. But it's kind of like they're not fighting for it, or it's just a burden for them. It's a they feel like it's a lose-lose situation. But they would, in their emotions, even though they may not express that, I feel like that's truly what they want to work on. So let's go ahead and pull some cards for how the energies will align for the end of the next 2 weeks or so. How will the energies align in the next week and a half to 2 weeks? First card will be the top energy, second card, bottom energy. So how will the energies align for the next 2 weeks? Okay, the Chariot. So still stuck Don't see them coming towards you. And Six of Wands. I feel like you feel very confident. I feel like you just feel very, very confident about this. Like you feel like it will work. Let's clarify the Six of Wands. Tell me more about the Six of Wands. I feel like this person makes you happy. We got that with the Ten of Cups. This person makes you happy, but there is a lack of happiness simply because they're not making any moves towards you and they're not really showing you how they feel. They're just kind of hiding. Eight of Cups. Well, we got the Eight of Cups reversed, and so they might, I just kind of feel like they're stuck. I feel like they want to come back. They want to, you know, they love you. That's what we got here in the cards, but they're just very, very stuck. They need to come out of their heads. They need to take a chance. They need to get over whatever happened in the past. They need to face whatever it is that they need to face, deal with their insecurities, whatever the case may be. The story is different for everyone. But I do feel like you two have love for each other, a lot of love here. So I'm going to go ahead and end it there. Leo, thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. I hope you're staying safe and you have a blessed week. Bye.